Hi everyone, welcome to Ash Table. Today I'm going to introduce how to make a Japanese fried noodle we call yakisoba. To make a good yakisoba, you have to prepare two things. One is this. This one's sauce for yakisoba. This sauce is not only for yakisoba, but you can use for takoyaki and okonomiyaki too. That's really good and useful sauce. You can try this one. The other one is this. That's a noodles. Noodles for yakisoba. That's steamed noodle. That's a different from ramen noodle. Since it's steamed, this gives yakisoba more good textures. This one's so nice. So please get those one from Asian grocery shop. But if you couldn't find that, don't worry. You can use this spaghetti instead. But remember, if you use spaghetti, it's not yakisoba. This tastes like yakisoba flavor pasta. So don't expect 100% yakisoba with this. And if you don't have this, I put the recipe here so you can make that, but I prefer this. You know why? Because a big company investing lots of money on this. So taste should be nice, right? Use this one. Okay, with my recipe today, you can make a beautiful yakisoba. Are you ready for that? Let's get started.